Sheriff. Let's go.
All right. Good job.
Nice job.
That's what I'm talking about. Congrats, bro.
We just had our first runner coming across an unofficial time of 16:53. We got Delfino Juarez winning in overtime of 16:49.83. Wow, what an amazing run today. Nice job. We also got Michael and Jorge all coming in. Let's call some more recent finishers. We got Kenny, we got Benjamin, Landon, and Manu. Way to go. Welcome to your finish line today.
Yes, sir.
Here comes Timothy finishing his 5K today. Way to go. We're still looking forward to our first female finisher. We're going to see who it is out there. I saw some fast ones out there today.
You know it's your wife.
Been there, done that, messed around. I'm having fun. Don't put me down. I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
What an amazing race. We had 3 people under 19 minutes. Actually, 3 people under 18:20, 18:30. Wow, what an awesome race today.
Whatever your time is, let's go. All right, yes, sir. Good job. Good job. Go, Tony.
Recent finishers, Timothy, Thomas, Anthony. Way to go, y'all. Nice job. That's, I think it's Ian. Nice job. I see our 1 milers coming back. They're looking strong. Oh, this is a tight race. They are neck and neck.
Fight to the finish.
I see that competitive nature coming out. Way to go. Welcome to your finish line today. Got the hands raised. That was Jason. Great name. Come on, 1 milers. I want to see you sprint to that finish. You can do it. Way to go. Welcome to your finish line today. Nice job.
Good job, man. Good job.
That was sort of a run jog-ish, but the mom did win in a close finish. I think I see our first female finisher coming. Oh, there's a hard charging second. It's going to be a close one.
All right, no, well done, man, sir. All right, let's go. Let's go. Well done, well done. Congrats.
Way to go.
All women.
Nice job.
I'll let you put that on. Congratulations. Well done. Hey. Very nice. Congratulations to you.
And that was Uncho coming in an unofficial time of 25:39, followed closely by Erica 25:45. Nice job today, ladies. I see our third female. I think I know who she is. That's the impressive Nadia Miller.
Let's go, Nadia. Hey, look at that.
Way to go. Nice job. Congratulations on your finishes today.
Hey, man, you were grinding at the end, man. I love it. Love it. Up 27.
We
That's what we like.
can. Ooh, I was so off key right there. Wow, that was bad.
Oh, that was good. You're good.
Love Shack, baby. La, la. Come on, I know you guys know this song. If anyone's in their 40s, y'all know this song.
Clean it up. Very nice. Very nice. Congrats. Well done. Well done. How about Jennifer? Good job. Good job.
Let's call some recent finishers. We had Christian, Haksu, Donald, Adrian, Alex. Nice job on your finish today at the Angry Bird Turkey Run 5K. Oh, just got Dennis just recently came through. Way to go, Dennis. Sing it with us now. Bang, bang, bang on the door, baby. Knock it a lot of sugar. Bang, bang, bang on the door, baby. I can't hear you. Bang, bang. Way to go. Welcome to your finish line today.
Nice. Good job. Good job.
That was Zachary coming across his finish line today at the Angry Bird Turkey Run 5K.
Well done. Well done.
Man, y'all are looking good as you're coming across that finish line.
Congratulations.
That was Edwin and Lalo.
All right. We move today. Congratulations.
We got Azukina, Don, Carla, Jane, Petrus, Brandon,
Everybody right now.
Oana, Karen. Oh, welcome to your finish line today. Make sure you guys grab your medal, grab some water, grab some food.
Let's go, Sarah. See you booking it. Woo!
Way to go. Nice job. That was Vern.
Heartbeat song and I'm gonna play it. Been so long I forgot how to turn it up, all night long. Up, all night
Vern's at a spry young age of 67 coming across that finish line. An amazing time.
Where the hell did you come from? You're a different kind of fun.
Lysel.
Good job.
Edward and Tyler also came across today. We got Abigail coming across the finish line, followed close by Daniel. Way to go, John. Welcome to your finish line today. Followed closely by Anna. Way to go, Anna. Turn it up. Up, up, up. Way to go, Moses. Nice to have you back. We recently had Lexia, Alex, and Donald all come across the finish line today. Way to go. Welcome to your finish lines today. We got Janine, Jade all coming across the finish line. Way to go. Welcome to your finish line today. We are happy to have you back.
Look at out there.
Way to go, Rianne.
Wow. Well, you didn't make a run with this
I
one.
am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you.
Yeah, of course you did. Yeah.
Without you. Without you. One, two, three,
There you go.
Way to go. Nice job.
Hey, man, good time for a late start, man. Good job, bro. Yeah, I mean, we may not have work for them, but, you know.
Way to go. Way to go.
I gotta figure something out.
Okay, let me know before we do awards and I can.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and do it. Might as well. Let's go, David!
Let's call it some recent finishers here. Jennifer, Greta, Sarah, David, Lori all came across their finish line today. Way to go. Way to go, Kristen. Nice job on your finish today.
How soon do you think I should start doing the award ceremony? We're at the front. Sugar.
All right, we're going to start doing the awards in about 9 minutes. 9 minutes, we're going to start doing the awards. So please make sure you all stay around. Grab a drink, cheer on your friends. We still got 24 more of our friends that are out there still running the course. Just under 9 minutes to the awards time. Way to go, Ian. Welcome to your finish line today. Happy you're back.
Let's go, turkeys!
We got some turkeys coming. I don't know who's going to win the award here at first place turkey. Oh, here we go. Nice job.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming.
go. That's right. Hey now. You guys are all stars here today for us, completing the Angry Bird Turkey Run 5K here at beautiful Rabbit Hill Park in Gwinnett County. If you guys haven't been to this park before, it's an awesome park. Soccer, sand volleyball, dog park. Across the street, you got football and baseball.
Get it, it's yours. Go get it. There you go. Congratulations. You're welcome.
Way to go, Jesse. Nice job. Also before Jesse was Carla, Angela.
Battles with your name on it. Let's go.
We got Jasmine, Diana, Dawn all coming through today. Nice job.
Oh boy. What y'all know about a supermodel? Fresh out of Air magazine. Buy her own bottles. Look pictures, I keep it on. Bad than a mother. Oh, now you're a bad girl. Baby, if you're a bad girl. Players, when you see me, act like you know me. I keep a dollar worth of dimes. No pimping ain't easy. For all my chicks in the club, who knows how to cut a rug? If you're a bad girl, get at me, bad girl. Work me, baby. Shake it the way I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. See, get at me, bad girl. One sexy lady. Now I've seen a lot of bras, all on one car. Everyone look the same, but take a look at my dame. She take that hypnotic Alizé. There ain't much more I can say, but I need a bad girl, yeah. 1 thou on the bar now. Chick need a drink on the floor now. Look at them bad girls moving it. Faces while they doing it. I wanna take one to the restroom. So close, I'm smelling like your perfume. If you're a bad girl, get at me, bad girl.
Let's call some recent finishers. We got Kaylee, Ciciela, Ariana, Bogdan, and Kimberly all coming across the finish line. Way to go. Welcome back. Again, we're going to get started with awards here in just over a minute. We'll get going.
You make me happy. Yes, you can bet.
All right, they're bringing the awards table over.
You stay right beside
We're going to get going here in just a moment.
me, and I won't forget.
Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2.
Love you.
Yeah.
You should know. I wanna make sure I'm right, boy. Before
Way to go. Nice job. Glad to have you back.
now we had a good time that we can say we hurted each other, yeah. And boy, it's a shame. I won't be foolish.
All right, Miles, whenever y'all set up, no rush, just give me a thumbs up and we'll get going. Man, those turkeys look amazing for the top 2. For the top 1 male. I'll need to invite us over for dinner when you cook those up.
You know I thank God sun rises and shines on you. You know there's nothing I would not do. Oh, before I let you go.
Sorry.
Check.
All right, all right. How's everybody feeling? Yeah, that's exactly how it sounds. Nobody answered, everybody's dead. That's fine. That works. That works. It means we put in some work today. Let's give a round of applause for all of our participants today, though. All right, we'll go ahead and try to be as quick as possible on this. As promised, our overall male and female champions are going to get a trophy and a beautiful turkey being handed out by my beautiful turkey, Taja, over there. All right, so let's give a round of applause for our overall winner, first place, male overall winner, with a time of 16:49. Let's give it up for Delfino Juarez. All right. I missed something. All right, all right. Our female overall winner with a time of 25:39. Let's give it up for Yoon Cho. All right. Female ages 10 to 14. Our winner with a time of 31:13. Let's give it up for Liesel Schroeder. And we're keeping it in the family. In second place, give it up for Greta Schroeder. And our third place winner, let's give it up for Sarah Tomiyaga. Sensing a pattern here. Y'all gonna win every category. Okay, that's fine. I'm not ain't offended. All right, let's move over to male 10 to 14. Males 10 to 14. First place winner. Let's give it up for Moises Cruz. Moises Cruz. Second place, let's give it up for Ian Cho. Well done, congratulations. Ian Cho, the Cho family's racking up today. And third place, again, here we go, Noah Tomiyaga. Spot back over to female 15 to 19. 15 to 19. First place winner, let's give it for Anna Bordea. Second place, let's give it up for, and please forgive me if I say this wrong, Ruth Magruñano. Yeah, I definitely butchered that one, yes. I knew exactly who I meant though. Third place, let's give it up for Sarah Lupu. Should I just turn and just face y'all and give about the rest of them? All right. Male 15-19. All right, male 15-19. We have one participant for that one. Doesn't mean anything other than you got out here and grind. Our winner, Landon Tanasa. Well done, young lady. Well done. Congratulations. All right, so if we are missing some, we're going to make sure to get it mailed out to you, and I do apologize. All right, just got to remind me afterwards. We'll make sure to get them. All right, back over to female 20 to 29. Our first place winner, give it up for Sophie Gerstenson. Looked like an R, I'm sorry. Second place, Adriana Isan. And third place, give it up for Jane Choi. Jane Choi. Male 20 to 29. First place. Congratulations, young lady. Congratulations. Our first place winner, let's give it up for Benjamin Ong. Second place, Manu Data. This is a competitive division here for sure. Third place, Thomas Hall. Moving over to female, 30 to 39. Our first place winner, let's give it up for Kayla Turner. Kayla Turner making her way over. In second place, Karen Arita. And third place, here we go with the last name, I'm sorry, Ariana Magaranu. And it's our first ever 5K. And she is shocked. You shouldn't be shocked. You were grinding from the beginning to the end. Very nice. Congratulations. Male, 30 to 39. First place, get up for Michael Sexton. There he is, Michael. Our three-time champ had to settle for second today, but he's still a beast. Jorge Luis Reñaga. 1825 is no slouch there, sir. Third place, Andre Sansu. Moving over, female 40 to 49. First place, the better half of PRS, Nadia Miller.
Hurry up, get back to work.
Second place, Azucena Martinez. In third place, Owana Surea. Nathan, way to finish, bro. Good job, good job.